Hi, dear friends. Everybody wants to be successful in life. What do you really know what the success is? Here, I want to give some insight toward this topic. What happened actually? Few months ago, 2 to 3 months ago, some of my friend sent me a video of one motivator who asked a question who want to be successful, and everybody in the audience were very excitedly raised their hand. I want to be successful. But while I was listening that topic, i was I had something not comfortable in my mind. I have some disturbance. I could not be able to raise my hand. I was thinking, what's the problem? Why I'm not able to raise the hand? So this topic persisted for next 2 to 4 week to my mind, and that continued to pinch me. What the success is actually? What do he mean by being successful? If somebody wants to have a Bangalore and he achieve it, do he successful? If somebody want to be IAS officer and he becomes, is he successful? I have heard so many incidences in which somebody cracked IAS exam, and after some time, because of something, some issues in their life, they have committed suicide. Is cracking IAS exam is success? No, this must not be the success. So what the success is actually? What the success is all about? That bothered my mind for next 2 to 3 weeks when I developed a great insight on this topic. See, when a child is playing, he is having a race and he wins. That is also a success for him. If you play the cards and you win the game, that is also a success. So why are you looking for bigger and bigger success? Why this is you're suffering to be successful, and even without knowing what you really want to get with the name of success. So what I saw with the people, that for being successful somebody decide that I want to own a bungalow, or I want to own a car, or I want to uh, crack some exam to feel myself successful. Actually, I would like to decide success in two parts. Number one, success of tasks. As you play some game with your friends and win that game, that is the success of task. And as you grow older and older, your ego become bigger and bigger, and this success of task actually satisfies your ego, our ego. So as we become older and older, our ego become bigger and bigger, and now we need our ego to be satisfied with a bigger task. So no matter it is playing a game of card or cracking a IAS exam, all these success are the success of task. So what is other? What next? Next is success of life. The problem arises when people start thinking that success of task is success of life. They decide some task and work very hard for them, for these tasks, and they think that after getting this success for this task, they will feel the success of their life. But that doesn't happen, because success of task is not the success of life. So what is success of life? For explaining this, I would like to divide our environment in two parts. Number one, outer environment, in which you have your all success of task, like You want to be a IAS officer, you want to be a doctor, or you have relationships, or you enjoy games, you play games, you run, race, everything that come in outer world. So whenever you decide some target, some goal for outer world, that will always be a success of task. Another world is your inner world, in which your body exists, your mind, your soul, your wisdom, all these things. When you develop your physical fitness to a level that you enjoy your body becomes no more become the botheration for you. You enjoy your body. You never feel that there is pain here, there is headache sometime, and you just keep on satisfying your body. No, your body is fit enough that whenever whatever you want to do, that helps you. Second, when your mind is cool, calm, happy, enthusiastic, you are enjoying your mind. Third, when you are enjoying your relationships, where you have good clarity of mind, it means when you develop your all your inner potential to a great level, then you feel the success of life, because life exists inside you. You are the life. So when you develop, when you enhance your life from your inside, that is the success of life. That usually people miss. So two things came in my mind. Number one, I could be able to differentiate between success of task and success of life, because people confused success of task as success of life, so they got very much frustrated, depressed, stressed throughout the life. Second thing came in my mind, why I could not be raise the hand that I want to be successful, is because I am working for my inner development, inner peace, inner potential for last 3, 4, 5 years. So I am already enjoying this my life. I am already enjoying myself. So I am already feeling that I am really successful in my life. So when I feel from inside that I am really a successful person, then success of task becomes a smaller issues for me. And that is how I define the success. Thanks a lot.